Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. Great opportunity to buy a small home on a fully fenced, generous lot. Thinking of buying a new manufactured home? This property saves you the cost of installing gas, electric and water meters for city utilities, and is already on sewer. This generous lot offers ample room to develop RV parking. Dual pane windows, high-efficiency climate unit in the bedroom and evaporative cooler in the living room will help with energy costs. Move-in ready with new flooring and freshly painted interior. The bath features new vanity, fixtures and custom walk-in bathtub. All appliances included with purchase. Laundry located in enclosed bonus room.